Okay, good morning students. This is Uday Bhaskar and welcome to our English class. So, our next lesson is an unexpected word. Okay, let me read it for you. The boy and his grandfather were walking along a road. The passed a farmer walking about on his land. The farmer had taken his ragged shirt and worn-out shoes and placed them at the roadside. Okay, one day there is this person, a grandfather, and one boy. Okay, there is this person's two brothers. One is grandfather, and another one is a boy. Okay, so both of them are having a walk. That means they are walking on the road. It means that means they are going to somewhere. Okay, they pass a farmer working hard on his land. Okay, like they are walking on the road, and at some place there is this land, and in this land there is a farmer. Okay, and this farmer is walking, and they pass this farmer. That means they cross this farmer. They move forward. The father had taken his ragged shirt and worn-out shoes and placed them at the roadside. Okay, the father, that means the father, the farmer. The farmer had to go into the land and walk. That means of course, whatever he was wearing, they are gonna become dirty. Okay, so what the farmer had to do is I had to take off his ragged shirt. That means farmers usually wore old shirts like some tears there in the shirt. That means like suits. Okay, so the farmer has had taken his ragged shirt off and wore no shoes. That means he left the shoes whatever he is wearing. That means slippers or whatever maybe. He wore out the shoes and entered into the he placed all of his shirt and his shoes at the roadside, and he entered into the land. And the boy felt he could take a little mischief. Okay, whatever the children you see now. Okay, they want to do some mischievous things like silly things. Okay, they want to play some games with a farmer. He said to his granddad. Okay, then he said to his grandfather, Grandpa, why don't we take the man's shoes and shirt and hide behind the tree? When he finds them missing, he will be so angry and will have the fun of watching his expressions. Okay, then the boy said to his grandfather like this. So, Grandpa, why don't we take the man's shoes and shirt and hide behind the trees? Okay, Grandpa, I want to hide the shoes and shirt of this farmer. Okay, then he will be confused. Where is my shirt? Where is my shoe? And then he will become angry. And when you look at his face, he will use some different types of expressions. So by seeing that one, you can have some fun. Okay, but the grandfather replied. Okay, then the grandfather giving the answer to his grandson, never make fun of a farmer or what is all. Okay, so see my child. Okay, never make fun of a farmer. Okay, never try to play with a farmer or don't try to hurt his all. If you just want to feel happy, then let's do this instead. Okay, if you really want to become happy, then we will do one thing. Take some coins and place them in each of the farmer's shoes. Then we will hide behind the tree and see what happens. Okay, here take some coins and place these coins in the shoes of the farmers, in both the shoes of the farmers, and then we will hide these shoes somewhere behind the tree. Okay, then we will see what happens. Okay, the boy did as his grandfather told him. Okay, then the boy did what his grandfather told him. Okay, after a little while, the farmer came for his clothes. Okay, of the summer. Okay, After some time, the farmer completed all his work and came outside. Okay, then he went to search for his clothes and shoes. Okay, he put on his ragged old shirt and his feet in his shoes. Okay, then somewhere behind the tree, he found his clothes and shoes. Okay, then what he do means first he took off his shirt. So he's going to his home. So he want to put on his shirt. Okay, then put on his shirt and his shoes also. Okay, he felt something hard inside. Okay, and he just put his legs inside the shoe. He felt something hard inside his shoes. And now he took the shoe off to see what it was. There were coins, he was astonished. Okay, so he felt something hard inside his shoes. And now something surprisingly, he took the shoe off and to see what was inside. And then he found out that there was some coins inside the shoe. He was astonished. Astonished means surprised. Astonished means surprised. Okay. Okay, he was so surprised when he seen those coins inside his shoes. He looked up to the sky and fell to his knees. Okay, then suddenly he took all the coins into his hands and he just seen the sky, up the sky, and on his knees means okay, he fell on his knees and praying to God again. Oh great God, you are so kind. When I needed money the most, you sent me this gift. Thank you, God, and thank you to whoever you made your messenger. Okay, he was praying to God that, oh great God. Okay, oh great God, you are so kind. You are very kind. When I needed money the most. Okay, I'm in a desperate situation that I need the money most. Okay, I need the money most. Okay, you send me this gift. Okay, actually I need the money most and you know that one. So that's why you send me this gift. Thank you God, thank you so much. And thank you to whoever made your messenger. Okay, so thank you to the person, okay, now, who made that one to give me this gift. Okay, it means the boy. Was thanking to the boy. Then he walked home overjoyed. Okay. So after completing his prayer to the God and he felt very overjoyed and happy. Overjoyed means happy. Overjoyed means very happy. Okay. He felt very overjoyed and the boy felt the farmer felt very overjoyed and he went to his home. Then the boy seeing all these things behind the tree, and the boy felt proud and happy. Okay, the boy felt very proud and happy, and his grandfather said, "Grandson, the path to happiness is to make others happy." Okay, then his grandfather said to him, "See, my child, if you want the path to happiness is to make others happy. If you want to be happy, make others happy. Then eventually you will become very happy." So this is the moral of our story, and now the lesson is completed and the lesson is an unexpected reward. And I hope you like this video. And one more thing to say is there is a desperate situation outside. Corona is become very ravaged day by day. So if you want to save you and your family or everyone around you, please wear a mask and stay safe, stay home. Thank you.